Billings Saturday afternoon, a multiple car pileup that involved 30 to 40 vehicles snarled traffic on Interstate 90 near Lockwood. Officers on scene told me that there were major and minor injuries involved in that crash. The interstate was closed for hours while Montana Highway Patrol troopers investigated the crash. In the afternoon, a snow flurry made the roads in Billings slick to drive on and contributed to the pileup that happened on the westbound interstate bridge over the Yellowstone River near exit 452 to Lockwood. Two people first involved in the crash had to jump off of the bridge to safely escape oncoming cars that crashed into the pileup. Those two people suffered serious injuries but are expected to recover. People with minor injuries were put on a Billings Logan International Airport bus to be transported to a local hospital. Traffic was snarled near the Lockwood interchange for most of the afternoon, and westbound interstate traffic was backed up at least to the I-90-I-94 junction. Sergeant Gillen said there were many secondary crashes on the interstate and in town from people abruptly coming to a stop. The responding agencies included Yellowstone County Disaster and Emergency Services, the county sheriffs, Billings Police and Fire Departments, Lockwood Fire, and American Medical Response. The interstate was closed for about 4 hours while first responders cleared the scene. Reporting in Billings, Mitch Laggy, MTN News.
Wow, and just amazing. No one was badly. They had a couple injuries, no fatalities so far. Now, we received a number of viewer pictures and video from the scene as well. You saw Jennifer Klusman, who was driving eastbound on I-90 just after the collisions. You can see the damage stretched hundreds of feet up the road. So here's some pictures from inside the wreckage. You can see just how mangled some of the cars are and how close many were to being flipped off the bridge and down into the Yellowstone River below. Ben Cloud posted some on Facebook. He said he and his family were not hurt in the crash, but their vehicle was badly damaged. And again, approximately 30 cars were involved in that pileup.